Alright, let's say if you cut your stem and it was just a little bit too short. Not the big distance, but just a small bit too short. This is how you fix it. So what you want to do is you want to take the short stem, take the packing gland. We already have the set screw started. So see how it bottoms out right there? What you want to do is you can lift this up just a little bit. So as long as your cut is not too far off, you can kind of make this little adjustment there to where it works. So what we're going to do is we're just going to tighten this up on both sides. Make sure here. Alright. You want to make sure that this is threaded all the way down. Alright, there, right until it bottoms out. That's what you want, because you want to make sure that it's in the all the way open position. That way you can use all the threads. Alright, tighten it up. Handles over here. Alright, so it was too short. Now it bottoms out. Oop, just like that. Alright, and that's how you make the fine adjustment if you cut the stem just a little bit too short.